Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw the dinosaur CENTROSAURUS. Okay, so to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a small circle like this. Then inside of it, I'm just going to color a small pupil. Then I'm going to draw a little line that kind of curves up and below the eye. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's just going to kind of curve in, and then it's just going to go up like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then it's just going to kind of curve around into a little curve. Then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, and then it's going to go down, and then kind of back up and down like this. They almost have like a little beak shape to their mouth. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve here, and then it's going to come back up and then kind of go down like this for the neck. Then starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out like this, and then I'm just going to go back in. And then I'm just going to kind of go in and out a little bit like this. And I'm going to do this all the way up until right about here towards the top. Now up here at the top they have some kind of crazy looking little horns. So I'm going to start by drawing one that just kind of curves down like this. And then the next one I'm just going to draw, it's going to go all the way down and then kind of come back up. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to go up like this and kind of in. And then I'm going to draw another little horn that just kind of curves down. And then one that just kind of curves out. And then I'm just going to kind of come back like this. And then I'm going to draw a little bump above it. Now, right out here, they have a really big horn. So right here by the eyes, I'm going to draw a line that just goes out like this. It's going to come to a point, and then it's just going to come back down like this. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves around like this for the nose. Okay, now for the body. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. I'm going to go up, and then I'm just going to kind of come back down like this, and I'm going to go all the way out to here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then I'm just going to go down like this at an angle. Then right here I'm just going to draw a line that goes out and it's going to come back in for one of the toes. Then I'm going to start here, draw another line that goes down and comes back. And then another one here that goes down and then just kind of curves around here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go up. And then I'm just going to curve it back to here. Then I'm going to add a little line right here just to show where the leg's kind of bending. Then right here I'm just going to add a little bit of a curved line for the stomach. And then starting up here you want to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then it's going to go back and then down like this. Then I'll make a little line that goes down and comes back. And then one more here. And then one right here for that final toe. And then I'm just going to make a line. It's just going to go up. It's going to come back like this. And then just kind of curve up to here. Then I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve here and then connect for the tail. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. It's going to go straight down and then kind of form into the toe. Then I'm just going to put one more here, go straight across, and then just bring this line up. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go out, back at an angle, and then down. And then I'm just going to go over, come back, down, and come back like this. Okay, so there's our basic drawing of the Centrosaurus. Now we would need to add lots of the details. So on the ends of each of these, I'm just going to put a little bump right here just to kind of show where there's some kind of like a little bit of like a bony plate sticking out. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of a curved line underneath these. Then starting right here, I'm just going to add kind of like a broken line that goes up. And then I'm just going to put some kind of bumps on the top of here and then on this side as well. Then I'm going to make some kind of bumps all along here too. Right around the eye, I'm going to kind of curve this line down and put a couple more lines around the eye. And I'm just going to kind of bring some of these lines down. I'm going to make like a little broken line that goes right around the edge of the nose. And then I'm going to draw a little line right down to here. I'm going to continue this line kind of right around here. And then I'm going to make another little line just to kind of show where that kind of beak shape is. Right here I'm going to make a little line that curves up to show the other side of the mouth. And then I'm just going to add some kind of long broken lines onto the horn. And then I'm going to make a little bit of a curved line around the nose. Then I'm going to make some little lines kind of right around here. And then I'm just going to make some little lines that just kind of curve here. And then kind of curve around here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw some lines that just kind of curve up. Just right around here for the neck. And then I'm going to add some extra little curved lines kind of right around the legs of our little dinosaur, little Centrosaurus. I'm going to make a nice little broken line that just kind of runs down the side, just to kind of show where the back is, where the spine is. And then I'm just going to make a few little lines around here, and then just add a few little broken lines kind of all around the legs and everything. Make some lines kind of come down, and I'm kind of putting these at like curves just so it looks a little bit more realistic. It's kind of showing the shape of things such as the tail and whatnot. You want to add some little curved lines onto the toes just to show where the toenails are. And I'm going to add some little curved lines right around here. Put a few on this side as well. And just add some extra little lines kind of all over the place. Put some more little lines kind of right around here and along the mouth. And then I'm just going to add a few little broken lines around here, a couple little lines onto these kind of top horns up here. And then just some little details around here. I'm going to add just a few little kind of small circles in random spots just to kind of show a little bit of a scale texture pattern. I'm just going to put these kind of randomly all over. I don't want to get stuck doing 10 million of them all over the place, so just some simple ones around just kind of give the effect of scales and a little bit of texture. It'll really help your drawing kind of come to life a little bit. And I'm just going to kind of put these around here, a few on the tail. Just like that. And then you can always kind of come in, add a few more lines here and there wherever you want to. Lots of different things you can just kind of add just to make it look good. But that's what I'm going to do for mine. So there's your drawing of a Centrosaurus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.